Rub salt in the wound. Say or do something that makes a bad situation feel even worse. His comment rubbed salt in the wound. Don't rub salt in the wound by talking about it again. Burn your fingers. Get into trouble because of something you did. He burned his fingers investing in that company. I don't want to burn my fingers again. Call someone's bluff. Challenge someone to prove what they are saying. She called his bluff and asked him to prove it. I decided to call their bluff. Cry wolf. Ask for help when there is no real problem. Don't cry wolf. He cried wolf too many times. Dig your own grave. Do something that causes your own problems. He dug his own grave by lying. Don't dig your own grave. Get off scot-free. Not get punished for doing something wrong. He did something wrong, but he got off scot-free. She shouldn't get off scot-free. She should be punished. Have an axe to grind. Have a personal reason for doing something. He has an axe to grind. She seems to have an axe to grind. Keep someone on their toes. Make someone stay alert and ready. This job keeps me on my toes. The game kept everyone on their toes. Leave someone high and dry. Leave someone without help. They left us high and dry. Don't leave your friends high and dry. Make a mountain out of a molehill. Make a small problem seem very big. Yuri making a mountain out of a molehill. It wasn't a big issue, but she made a mountain out of a molehill. Put the squeeze on someone. Pressure someone to do something. They put the squeeze on him. The company put the squeeze on its workers. See eye to eye. Agree with someone. We don't always see eye to eye. They finally saw eye to eye. Set the record straight. Correct a misunderstanding. Let me set the record straight. She wanted to set the record straight. Take someone for granted. Not appreciate someone enough. Don't take your friends for granted. He took her for granted. The last laugh. Success after others doubted you. Everyone laughed at him, but he had the last laugh. She got the last laugh in the end. Throw in the towel. Give up. He refused to throw in the towel. Don't throw in the towel yet. Turn a blind eye. Pretend not to notice something. The teacher turned a blind eye. They turned a blind eye to the problem. Walk on eggshells. Be very careful not to upset someone. I feel like I'm walking on eggshells around him. She walked on eggshells all day. Wear your heart on your sleeve. Show your feelings openly. He wears his heart on his sleeve. She's not afraid to wear her heart on her sleeve. Win someone over. Make someone like or support you. She won the customers over. His kindness won me over. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more.